Hey guys, this is Braden from Hennessy Ford here. Today we're going to be going over this F-150 Tremor and what makes it different from all the other F-150s. At a first look, the things you're going to notice on the Tremor are going to be its orange accents, black Ford badge, and up on the hood, some very aggressive hood vents for when you're off-roading. Underneath, you're going to notice a massive metal skid plate to protect from any rocks or damage while you're off on the trails. Some of the other things you might notice about the F-150 Tremor are going to be it actually sits a little bit higher than a standard F-150. That's thanks to a small level along with 35-inch tires from factory. Moving down further side, the side vents are going to be unique. You can find these on every F-150, but you're not going to find them with the orange accents. You're also going to have Raptor side steps for any serious off-roading adventures. They aren't going to get damaged, as well as the Tremor sticker at the back that shows you what you're driving. On the back of the Tremor, there's going to be a few things that you'll notice that make it completely different from any other F-150. Number one, the dual exhaust pipes at the rear. Also, these two tow hooks here for any super sticky situations you may find yourself in. While the Tremor is mainly made for off-road, it doesn't take anything away from being its ability to work. At the back here, you have a power tailgate. With a utility bench here for any work you may need to do on the job. You also have a bottle opener on each side of the tailgate, as well as a plug in the bed for any power tools that you might need to run. Moving into the inside of the vehicle, some of the things you'll notice to make the Tremor unique are going to be the orange contrasted leather seats, your forged composite trim, along with your auxiliary switches up top for any accessories you might want to add to the vehicle. In the Tremor F-150, you're going to notice that you'll have one extra drive mode than a standard F-150. Going over the standard ones, all the way to the left, you'll have your sport mode. To the right of that, eco. Tow haul. In the middle is your normal. Moving over to the off-road stuff, you have slippery, deep snow and sand, mud and ruts, and your Tremor specific one, rock crawl. Some of the stuff you'll notice when you're behind the wheel of the F-150 Tremor is while you do have that upgraded off-road suspension, you're still getting that same great ride that you'd expect out of any F-150. Under your right foot, you have that 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost with over 400 horsepower, so this thing's definitely got some pickup. The F-150 Tremor in the Lariat configuration is set up with the Ford Copilot 360 Assist Plus. What that's going to have is a whole host of safety features, including lane keep assist, lane centering, evasive steering assist, reverse brake assist, and intersection assist. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the Ford F-150 Tremor. My name is Braden. If you have any other questions, feel free to come see me here at Hennessy Ford Lincoln of Atlanta.